thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight, I promise my wife that I'm going to bring home the baby. That's why I'm going back to my music. And I'm going to sing 3 of my favorite songs. And I hope you enjoy. The first song goes a little something like this.
25 years and my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up this brotherhood of man, for whatever that means. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head. And I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake up in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? So smooth, elegant with your style. Take over my day with a smile. All I wanna know is how I make you mine. Yeah, beauty queen she is. I never ever felt a love like this. Got me wondering what a woman like you is doing all alone. Yeah, lady, woman, you're so amazing. The mother dudes will try to stick a couple lies just so they can play a couple tricks up on your mind. But I'm true when it comes down to realness. Give me your love and I'll show you the business. Take my hand and understand that baby I can be a better man, better man.